showing you? Why are you showing
Talking
me
to
my-
Nori in the Philippines.
Why are you showing your hair on me?
Papa's working.
So,
This is our view this morning. Oh my god, I don't want to go back home. So pretty. You guys looking at the beach, Benny? Jakey, careful, don't drop my phone.
So that means I'm in Miami.
Workstation situation. You guys are working? Oh, okay. I'm sorry to disturb you.
That's okay.
You guys are lucky this is a vacation, because otherwise this is not acceptable. Been loving their homemade granola with Greek yogurt and fruits. I've been eating it every day now. You go, baby, you go.
Here's my balloon. And that means I'm going to the pool.
Is that for me?
Yes, it is.
Thank you so much, my love. Show me your toes. Are these toes?
Yes.
It's called toes? What did you say it's called before? Feet fingers? He knows better already. You are the smartest boy I know.
I got you.
Twinsies. You guys look alike so much right now.
Well, if that's the case, then enjoy that hair while you got it, son.
Guys, eat your cucumbers.
Can you make it louder?
So we escaped the children. So I'm running off to meet up with my best friend who lives in Miami and just like gossip and no, not gossip, we don't gossip. Talk about life and make food, mostly eat really, but you know, whatever, just without kids. It's a vacation on its own. Yay!
Oh, this is him not even like, hi honey. Oh, I mean,
Isn't that so much food?
oh my god, I know, but like I didn't know when you guys were coming, what was going to happen.
We are here! Mary, can you believe I escaped the children?
I'm very, very proud of you.
Thanks. Did you see the
Oh my
vlog
god,
number
I did.
one?
First of all, don't. Oh. But I did watch this one.
You should have recorded it.
Are they
The
reading
sun.
glasses? Are they
They're not. I basically look like an 80-year-old man.
You do look like an 80-year-old man.
With the suit too, with the
That is
scarf.
hilarious.
Don't do those.
I'm into it though. It looks good. You want to see my new sunglasses? I bought them for vacation. Guys, don't make fun of me.
They have rhinestones on them for sure.
You know they're gonna be aggressive when I say don't make fun of me. I'm really into them. And they look nice.
Who was your inspo for this?
Kim Kardashian West.
I'm not gonna tell you because it's even worse than that.
Looks like a sleeping mask on
How
the
do I
camera.
look? I know, but they probably look so good. My face looks small. It's what I want. Okay.
Listen,
Where you going?
I support you.
Dominican Republic. I want to put them like literally in my bag, or someone might steal them.
No one will steal. Oh, they send you literally everything?
Yes, this is how me and Larry eat now. We don't go grocery shopping because I realized that I was throwing out hundreds of dollars every month.
Okay, so today we are doing a collaboration with Blue Apron. So as a Canadian, unfortunately, we are not exposed to so many like great services like this.
I am.
But yeah, now that I'm in Miami, I called Mary and I was like, Mary, I want to try. And they actually have this new program of the Blue Apron with Airbnb. So they partner up with Airbnb to basically create a 6 weeks plan where every week there's a different, like a local chef that builds your menu. It's really cool. So we are doing this family style. I think we got so many recipes because I took the family style, but now I escaped the children and our husbands are like.
And it's
here.
basically a meal each person in this house.
Yeah, so Emma, Mary, and Valeria will be eating 8 people meal. Yeah, it's gonna be really cool. And then you can check out my description box is gonna be a link, and the first 100 people that will sign up will get $50 off their first 2 weeks of Blue Apron. So it's
Which is really good because
a pretty good deal. Well, that's the thing. I feel like also when you know, like you can set up how many people will be eating, so they
Yes.
send you the exact measurements and everything. I also think that you don't overeat, like you don't make
You
too
don't.
much food.
I get this. Me and my husband, portion for 2. It literally is a portion for 2 people. You don't throw out. You don't have. It's really great.
And it's all farm fresh ingredients. Like here, there's non-GMO ingredients, no added hormones, antibiotics, sustainable seafood.
Did you eat a burger today already?
Not yet, but it's not too late. I think we should do the turkey burgers.
I think
that
so.
looks so good. Okay, so we need to do an
There's
assortment.
more in there, I believe.
Look how measured it is.
It's amazing.
Potato. So this is it. And then we need to sort out which one are the ingredients that we need. Oh, it does say.
It does. Yeah.
You like don't have to think about anything. The
Okay,
turkey burger.
pack. Perfect. 1 pound of sweet potato, so I assume it's those 2. 1 stalk of lemongrass. Yeah. I know. Cloves of black garlic.
I think it was
It's
here.
in the packet. That's it.
That's it. I love cooking with friends. It's like so much fun.
So fun.
It's so fun. And it's like, it's much faster when you do it with other people. I'm the best help ever. I don't mean too much. Thanks, Mary.
Love you.
It's my turn. Leaving no mayo behind.
Crazy, will you not want to have your taste buds for a week? Put it
Mistake.
down, put it down.
Not until I take a bite.
Boy, she will not stop.
Surprise, and today French fries in the pool.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, so good.
Right? And it feels like light.
It's totally like.
We made food and we cut up and we did not gossip.
No, not at all.
Getting older is like not as interesting
No.
as it was before. Anyways, and now
We
we're
still
gonna,
look good though. We still look good.
Yeah.
I just have to put that in there. I have to remind myself of all of it.
And now we're back to reality. We have to go back to the kids. We're going to the museum with them. Mary got to do her stuff. She has stuff to do. Let's go do stuff.
I love her.
I'll see you soon.
Bye, Mary.
Come visit me.
Yes, but like, look at this weather though.
I'll come visit you.
Bye, Biggie.
Bye, Lakey. Hey, we are going to the
Mom, I feel like I'm living your life, basically.
So she knows.
I know you.
So, guys.
Mama, look! Michael!
See anything?
Coconut.
Coconuts? Yummy, I like coconuts. We're an American cattlefish. That means we're very heavy. See? It's the little animals there.
And what?
Jake, buddy.
Wow.
Do you see the blue fishy?
Yeah.
That's Nemo. You don't see. You're not even looking where I'm pointing. Dory. Let's find Nemo.
Nemo.
Look at the big line.
Wow.
See it? The hammer?
Benjamin, look.
Tuna.
So go see Nemo. Oh, I found Nemo. Where's Nemo? There.
I feel like he's giving me the cold shoulder.
Naked.
Who's naked?
That fish is not naked. Who say this?
Who say what?
Who say this?
I don't know.
Whoa.
Where's these? Astronauts.
Wait, look at me, guys.
Look at Emma. You're trying to see how sturdy it is?
I don't need
Oh, there he is. Benny, are you the next astronaut?
I love this.
Yes. So, guys, we are what are you? Ew. Science is done. So we are done at the museum, and it was. Guys, did you have fun? It was so fun. It was a really cool museum. I feel like this is such a great kids place. And now we're gonna go swimming again or sleeping. Okay, everyone is at the pool. This is our last day today. We're gonna hang for a couple of hours and then back to the room to pack and get the show on the road. Do you know that Benny's scared of the beach? He doesn't like the sand.
Why?
I don't know. It's weird.
Really?
Do you love the sand?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go to Mama and Jakey Adventure?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go.
I want to see.
You can look with your eyes. You see the trees? Your eyes were sleepy?
Yeah, yesterday.
Come, Busa, it's here. Pretty here.
Abon, look. Abon.
You're making a sandcastle? Okay, it's time to go home. We have a birthday party for Jake tomorrow and other kids' birthday on this weekend, so straight back to our schedule. It was an amazing, amazing trip. guys. Let's go to the gate.
Go there.
No, my love, it goes to the other direction. We need to go here. Okay, this is it. Almost there. Almost there. You here?
Let's go, boys.
Hey, you guys, did you have the best time?
Yes. Of course.
Do you love Miami?
Yes.
Do you want to come back?
Yeah.
Who do you need to say thank you to?
Mama.
And
Papa.
for?
For Miami.
I love you guys. I had the best time with you. What was your favorite part of Miami?
Mine was sausage and Melon's house.
Oh, that's nice. What was your favorite part, Benny?
And my part was going to sausage and Melon's house too.
And what about swimming in the pool?
Oh yes.
That was a lot of fun, right?
Yes.
And how about the museums?
Oh yes.
Yeah? Okay, say bye-bye to everybody.
Bye bye.
Bye, guys. See you soon.
Lisa. Oh yeah. We're going to the airplane now. Sugar.